Welcome back to the challenge number 3, finding out which product gave us the biggest average discount. So biggest average discount, and here if you see in the challenge 2, we were having the highest average quantity. So highest average quantity, and now we have the biggest average discount. So previous was quantity, now this time we have a discount option. Let's begin. The first thing, to understand the table, we will be creating some table over here, a dummy table. Okay, just to understand. So the function to find out the top first row would be top n. We'll write here as the name as products and then comma. We can write down the average discount. Okay, we want to find out the highest average discount. So the function will become as calculate average of discount. Okay, close a bracket, and then we have again close a bracket, then we have descending order. So what will happen here is this will give us the products, name of the products and the entire table where the average discount is the highest. So the name is given as product name, which is iPhone 15. Okay, and we can go back here. I did not create a table. Now I will just show a table format. So the table will become here, let's say product name and the average discount. Okay. So for discount, we have order details and we can drag and drop discount. So when we drag and drop discount, let's convert this first into a table. Okay. And then this became sum of discount. We don't want sum. We want the option as average. Right click on sum and we'll select the option as average. Now here we will sort the data in descending order. The average discount is 0.19 if you see iPhone 15 Pro. Okay. Now this we got with the help of table and calculations and everything. But imagine if you want directly as a one single value, how do we do that? So with the help of this, at least we got a table which says iPhone 15 Pro and the all the records. Now from this table, if I want to select just the product name, I'll first copy this data. Maybe I can go and create a new measure. And this one, I'll give the name here as product high discount. So I'll write down here as product with high discount equals to, and the name of this particular calculation I'll write as calculate. Then we have an option of selected value. If you remember, selected value will help us to select a column from the dummy table or the virtual table. More specific, I can say virtual table. So the name will be given as products name, comma, maybe I can close the bracket, comma, and I can control V. So what is that control V? We already saw that it gave us a dummy or a virtual table. From that virtual table, we have just picked up the data here. Now this gave us the biggest average discount in the entire data set. Now remember, now this table is small. Okay, in real time, you don't get this small table. You have a very huge table and you don't get calculations so easily. So in order to get the amount flexible, you can just use this DAX functions to get the output here. So this was challenge 3 and that's the solution right now. In the challenge 4, in the next video, we'll see find out which category has the maximum products. Okay, that's challenge 4 for you. Solve that and put in the comments if you're able to get the output. I'll see you in the next video.